Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Capricorn Earth sign, your person current feelings and actions for the month of October. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Capricorn. Four of Wands, Eight of Wands, fire energy, lot of fire energy. Ace of Swords. Okay, the Strength. Yeah, Leo, again fire energy. Yeah, definitely your person want this happy life with you. This is very positive card. They want a family with you, and you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11, and Eight of Wands. Definitely things are moving very fast in your connection. You both are communicating back and forthly because they want to communicate you their feelings, because Ace of Swords, truth coming out. Your person could be Leo also, you could be Strength. Yeah, I think they are very strong emotionally or whatever in their areas. Definitely your person is very strong, or they become strong in recent past, whatever the situations are happening in their life. Definitely your person thinking about you very positively, and they want happy life with you, and they want to communicate you, and they want to communicate back and forthly. So their feelings, so their actions towards you. Let's see Capricorn, your person near future actions towards you in the month of October. Wow, 10 of Cups, Empress, 9 of Cups, lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Death, Scorpio especially. So definitely your person undergo some transformation, and definitely they stand by their power. In recent times they know their worth. Definitely they stand by their power, or they see you as their Empress. Definitely or they see you as a powerful person, and they want this happy life with you. Again, 4 of Wands with the 10 of Cups. Definitely they want to marry you, they want to commit to you, because these two are including marriage and happy life. And 9 of Cups, yeah, you are their wish fulfillment. Definitely I think in near future they will offer marriage or commitment to you, because Scorpio is here, transformation, death, and 9 of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment. Very positive reading, Capricorn. So let's pull some more cards from the universe regarding the connection. Knight of Wands, Knight of Cups, Knight of Swords, all knights, Eight of Cups. For some who are in separation, definitely there will be a reconciliation, because 4 of Wands and 8 of Cups. If you are in separation, your person want reconciliation with you. Definitely they want to rush towards you, and they want to communicate you, and they want to express their feelings, and they want to offer their cup of love to you, because Knight of Wands and because all these two knights are, I think this Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords, this is not committed type, but after the transformation I am getting your person want to commit. And Knight of Cups, yeah, they have emotions for you, they want to offer this cup of love to you. After the transformation they realized, because in past they are in and out of your life, but now they want to offer stability to this connection, because you are their wish fulfillment now. After the separation, I think they realize you both. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Capricorn, hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.